Hello everyone, I am Kunjan Jan and I'm going to share a cue card with all of you today. So the cue card topic for today is describe the person you spend the most time with. Yes, you have to tell about a person who can be your friend, who can be your family member, who can be your colleague also with whom you spend the most time. Yes, the cues or the hints are who this person is. You have to tell who the person is. Your parent, your family member, your brother, your sister, your sibling, your cousin, your school friend, your friend, any friend or your colleague. Next, what kind of person he or she is. You have to tell about the qualities of person. What you usually together. As you're spending maximum time with this person or most of the time with this person, what do you guys do together? And explain why you spend the most time with this person and what is the reason that makes you spend maximum time with this person. So let us see how I have prepared my topic. Yes, so I have written the topic person in center. Now for me the person is my mother. It can be any person and you can write that person over here. Now what are the qualities of my mother? She is kind, she is gentle and she is understanding. What kind of person? She is a kind person, she is a gentle person and she is an understanding person. This person is my best friend. What do we do together? We cook, we talk and we shop together. I discuss everything with my mother. She is my guide and motivator. I cannot imagine a day without her. And why do I like to spend the time with this person? Because she supports me and she is my best critic, right? So let us see how we are going to speak the topic. Thank you for the cue card. It is very well said that God could not be present everywhere. That is why He created mother. My mother is the person with whom I spend the most time because she is a very kind, gentle and understanding person. I cannot imagine a day without my mother. She is my best friend. She is my critic and she understands me very well. There is nothing that I hide from her or she hides from me. We have a great bonding, although every child has a special bonding with his or her parent, and for me that parent is my mother. I have always shared everything with her, whether it is a very small thing related to my homework or whether it is any trouble that I am facing. She is aware about all my friends and what is happening in their lives as I discuss everything with her. Whenever I come back from my college, I just go to her and tell her about everything that happened with me throughout the day. Whenever I am facing any trouble or whenever I am having any issue, I seek her suggestion because she always gives a very wise advice and a rational advice. Her advices are free from bias. They may be against me, but ultimately they are in my favor. I like to cook, talk and shop with my mother as she has very good taste in shopping, as well as she cooks delicious dishes and I love to learn cooking from her. There are many things about my mother which definitely I cannot put in words, but yes, she has always been my guide and she has always motivated through thick and thins. Whatever I am today, it is just because of my mother, because she has always been at my back to support me and guide me in whatever I am doing. I just cannot think that my mother won't be there for me at any time or in any of the crucial times of my life, because she has been a guiding light in my life forever and ever. So this is the person I spend the maximum time with and I love to spend my most of the time with her. Thank you.